Hey, man, have you ever looked at your golf cart? You got the white color seats like this, and you notice you got the dirt on it. Well, man, I think I found something that works and it's cheap. Let's try it over there, Jay. We're gonna take it straight on there. A lot of times, man, people use everything they can. You can use bleach on seats, but it kind of dries them out, messes them up. This stuff here we got stays on there about 30, 45 seconds. And always remember, this channel, man, I don't do nothing that don't work. I'm not like one of them salesmen that come around because I don't get no money off this, no commission. I just pass on some tips, man. Let's see. I can see a different right there in one spot. Oh yeah, night and day. Yeah. Look at that, night and day, man. We tried everything else to get this damn stuff off the seats. And white color shows everything, man. But right there, man, you see it. And the name of this stuff, man, it don't cost but $5. It's $5.50 a can. In the can, you get 14 ounces. Now, one thing good about it, man, is if you look at it there, it says hard surface vinyl and plastic cleaner and conditioner. So it's not gonna hurt nothing. But the name of it is Castle Vinyl Touch. Man, it actually works, man. So I just wanted to pass that on to everybody. I'm gonna show you again. It's Castle Vinyl Touch, hard surface vinyl and plastic cleaner. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and let this video show, man, that way everybody can watch it. I'm gonna break the schedule this time, so I can show everybody. But you can see the two tones there. You can see where I stopped at, right here. All right, man, stay tuned, man. We're always posting more tips to help everybody out, man. Hit that subscribe button. Also in the comments below, man, tell me what y'all use on y'all seats or what they use to work. I know WD-40 cleans them good. And if y'all want to get some, man, just reach out to me under this video or any video. I help you out every chance I can. So, man, I reached out to Castle, man, to see if they can give me a link where I can put a link under this video and y'all can purchase it from. I don't get no money, man. I'm just passing it on to y'all, man, because this makes your life a lot easier if you can deal with golf carts all the time, man. All right, man, I always remember one thing, man. I appreciate all y'all watching my videos, man. I just appreciate all the love and support y'all have for me, man. No doubt, never thought my channel would be almost 10,000 subscribers. Never thought that I would meet the people I talk to on YouTube on a daily basis, man. I appreciate all y'all, man. Always remember, sky's the limit. And hey, hey, hey.